Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Countertop Ice Makers. If you're a fan of ice in your drinks, this video will help you decide which machine is right for you. We'll look at their ice types, production capacities, and how quickly they can deliver ice to your glass. Let's get started. The first aspect we are comparing is the type of ice produced by each machine. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker specializes in creating soft, chewable nugget ice, which is perfect for cocktails and soft drinks. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker produces bullet ice, available in 2 sizes, which is great for chilling beverages, but may not provide the same texture as nugget ice. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a deciding factor. Next, let's look at the daily production capacity. The Free Village Nugget Ice Maker can produce up to 34 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, making it an excellent choice for larger gatherings or frequent use. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker has a lower capacity of 26 pounds per day, which may be sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. If you're planning to entertain often, the higher capacity of the Free Village could be a significant advantage. Finally, we compare the speed of ice production. The Aeitto Ice Maker boasts an impressive ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it ideal for those who need ice quickly. In contrast, the Free Village takes about 12 minutes for its first batch of nugget ice. If you need ice fast, the Aeitto's speed may be a crucial factor in your decision. In conclusion, both the Free Village Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Countertop Ice Maker have their unique strengths. If you prefer nugget ice and require a higher daily output, the Free Village is your best bet. However, if speed and portability are your priorities, the Aeitto is an excellent choice. Let us know in the comments which ice maker you would choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.